guys, it's me Namrata and welcome back to my channel. So I know that I'm posting after a very long time, but I have some good news to share, which is I got married. Yes guys, your girl got married in December 2020, and I am sure that you guys must be wondering how it happened and all of a sudden how you got married. So I will make a separate video on all the topics, like what were the rituals, what I wore on what function. So stay tuned for all those updates on my channel. Now talking about today's video. So in today's video I'm gonna review Pilgrim's red wine range, and I got this brand just while I was searching for a face toner. So I mainly got all these products just because of the toner, and I thought why not to give a try to all the products in the red wine range, because I have heard out that red wine is very beneficial for skin. And also you guys must be knowing like how CTM routine is trending these days, and even every dermat suggests to go for CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and then moisturizing. And I am the type of girl who always run away from toning my skin, because the toner which I had is a liquid toner. Like toner is liquid, come on. But it was too messy to apply it on because you needed a cotton pad. So I was searching for a toner which had a spray pump, so it can be easily applied. So the first product which I'm gonna talk about is their red wine face wash, and it contains vitamin C and aloe, and also it says that it is free from sulfate, parabens and other toxic minerals oil, and also it is cruelty free, and also it is 100% vegan. Let me open and check out if the color of the product is like wine in color or what.
So, oh guys, it's pink in color. You guys can see, like it's complete pink in color, and
the smell of this one is similar to the Lakme's वो fruit वाला आता है ना, रेड कलर वाला फेस वॉश, बिल्कुल सेम स्मेल है. इट इज मोर ऑन द जेल साइड, and you guys can see that it has got little granules of vitamin C. I think it's vitamin C only, you guys can see. So while you will do your face wash, you will also get some kind of exfoliation done. So now coming to the product जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये तीनों चीज़ें खरीदी, which is their red wine face mist and toner, and also it contains niacinamide and aloe, and it is suitable for all skin type. And अगर आप लोग भी मेरी तरह हो जो कि टोनर नहीं लगाते हो, so start applying toner guys. एक लॉन्ग रन में इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर स्किन टू बी टाइट एंड ग्लोइंग, एंड ऑल्सो आपके जो पोर्स वगैरह होते हैं वो सारे लेस विजिबल होते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अप्लाई द टोनर. सो दिस इज हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट हैज़ स्प्रे बॉटल, एंड इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट होता है. सो माई सजेशन वुड बी कि ऑलवेज गो फॉर toners that are in a spray bottle, because that makes it very convenient to apply. So let me spray. So you guys can see like how mild the spray is. It's not very liquidy, and it's a more kind of airy kind of a spray which I like, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा skin पे heavy नहीं होगा. So now coming to the last product, which is their moisturizer. एंड अगर बात करें मेरे फेवरेट स्किन केयर की, तो वो हमेशा एक मॉइस्चराइज़र होता है. आप मुझे किसी भी कंपनी का कैसा भी मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा के दे दो, आई एम अश्योरिंग कि मैं 10 दिन में उसे ख़त्म कर दूंगी, बिकॉज आई एम मोर फ्रॉम अ ड्राई स्किन टाइप. एंड जब भी मैं फेस वॉश करती हूँ या ऐसे भी, आई ऑलवेज फील कि मुझे मतलब आई नीड हाइड्रेशन. अगेन दिस वन इज़ फ्री फ्रॉम पैराबेन एंड ऑल अदर हार्श केमिकल्स. इनके सारे रेंज वैसे ही हैं, एंड इट कंटेन्स वाइटामिन सी एंड ऑल्सो रोज हिप ऑयल, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इसमें है SPF 30. सो अगर आपने ये लगा लिया, सो यू डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई अनदर लेयर ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, विच इज़ गुड. लेट मी चेक कि इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी कैसी है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द कंसिस्टेंसी लुक्स. इट्स क्वाइट थिक. ये थोड़ा सा कर्डी कर्ड टाइप की कंसिस्टेंसी है इसकी, एंड इट्स पिंक इन कलर. and let me scoop out a little product and apply it. So let me like massage it. So you guys can see that it is absorbed very quickly and थोड़ा सा इसमें frothy सा हुआ था while massaging, and once it is massaged properly it's nicely absorbed. And अभी लगा के मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि it's not very hydrating, though it makes your skin really soft and also little like plumpy, I can see. So after talking about these products and giving a demo on my hand, let me apply it on my face and let's check out how they actually feel. So I am going to apply the face wash first and my skin is already damp. एंड जैसा मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि इसमें कुछ ग्रैनुअल्स हैं एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो किसके हैं, विटामिन सी और व्हाट, बट इट इज लाइक गिविंग यू लिटिल एक्सफोलिएशन ऑल्सो. एंड आई एम नॉट गोना वाइप माई आई मेकअप एंड लिपस्टिक
बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत लगती है यार, एक दो फोटो तो क्लिक कर लो.
So now my face is clean and I can feel that it's neither very dry nor very moisturizing. बहुत normal सी skin feel हो रही है. And उसके बाद जो next step है वो है to apply the face mist. And I'm dabbing it so that ये absorb हो जाए अच्छे से. And after applying the face mist, I can say कि बहुत ज़्यादा चिपचिपा नहीं है. It feels good and the smell is more kind of like rose water. Now the last step would be to moisturize my skin. I can certainly feel that it's very moisturizing and you guys can see ये थोड़ा सा frothy होता है, but once you massage it nicely, it all goes off. This is the best one from this range. It's very moisturizing and also it's not very oily, I must say, and लगाने के बाद स्किन रॉली में एकदम बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट सी फील हो रही है. सो इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. सो या गाइज, दैट वाज माय रिव्यू अबाउट द Pilgrim's Red Wine range. And if you are planning to buy cleanser, toner or moisturizer, then you can definitely give it a shot. Their products are good and can be tried at least for once. So if you guys found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for more new videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till the time, take care, bye.